Yes, electrical contractors working on Arizona's semiconductor and data center mega projects need coverage well beyond a standard general liability policy. Most of these job sites require liability limits of $5 to $10 million, wrap up insurance enrollment, and specific bonding before you're even allowed on site. In this video, I'll show you the coverage types and limits Arizona electrical contractors need to work on data center and semiconductor construction projects. Arizona is now home to one of the largest semiconductor construction booms in the country, led by TSMC's Phoenix campus and Intel's Chandler facility. General contractors on these sites set their own insurance minimums, and they're almost always higher than a typical Arizona job requires. First, general liability limits. On most semiconductor and data center projects in the Phoenix metro, contractors require electrical subs to carry at least $2 million per occurrence and $4 million aggregate. Clean room or fab adjacent scopes can push that number to $5 million or higher. Second, wrap-up insurance. Large projects like TSMC's fabs often enroll subcontractors in an owner-controlled insurance program, or OCIP, where the owner provides your general liability and workers' comp for that job. You still need your own excess and umbrella policy, typically starting around $3,000 to $8,000 a year depending on payroll. Third, workers' compensation. Arizona requires workers' comp for any employer with one or more employees, and skipping it on a job site this size is a Class 6 felony under Arizona Revised Statute 23-961. Your policy needs to reflect your actual electrical crew headcount, not just your base office staff. Fourth, ROC contractor bonding. Your Arizona Registrar of Contractors license bond typically runs between $9,000 and $12,000 depending on your classification. It has to stay current and match the scope of electrical work you're bidding, or you risk being pulled off the project entirely. Fifth, equipment coverage. Semiconductor fabs contain highly sensitive electrical and clean room systems, so contractors often require inland marine or equipment coverage with limits of $250,000 or more. That protects your tools, testing equipment, and temporary power systems on site. The single biggest mistake Arizona electrical contractors make on these jobs is assuming their standard policy limits are enough. Before you bid on a TSMC, Intel, or hyperscale data center project, confirm your liability, workers' comp, bonding, and equipment coverage all meet the project's specific requirements. Go to www.iboaz.com for a quote or call 4808-121-998 and speak to a knowledgeable agent.